Abby and I decided to get away to go to one of our favorite places in the world, the Great Smoky Mountains. What a beautiful view behind us. But you know us, we're the RC Sailors, and we can't get away from RCs even if we tried. Now, actually, this was Abby's idea to bring the Night Vapor with us because it fits in a box very nicely and it's completely ready to fly. You pull out of the box and you fly it. And so I said, Abby, if we brought a plane, which one should we bring? This was her idea. And admittedly, you've been flying this and enjoying it off camera.
Oh yeah.
Done a great job. But we're gonna enjoy the weekend with this RC. And well, I just wanted to share this view with you guys. A really hard one to pass up. Now granted, we're not staying at the top of the mountain. That costs a lot of money. But we did get to drive up here and fly a little plane up here. We're staying down in the valley, where us valley people belong. That's where our budgets allow us. But we're gonna have a good time with this RC plane. Now that the wind has died down, let's put it in the air.
All right, Nate. Good luck. That is scary out there.
Well, you know, I don't think I'm gonna try to go way out there. This plane, the beauty of it is you can fly it in extremely small spaces. I have literally flown this in our front yard and backyard, and you've been flying it around at the cabin where there's like this much space where you guys are seeing between us and the edge of that hill, or mountain really, where those tall weeds start to grow right there. I mean, that's how much space you need to fly this. Now, if you have a little more space, it's a little bit nicer, but you don't have to. And honestly, guys, I just wanted to bring something where we could show you these beautiful views. It has been a couple years since we have come. Amelia was an infant the last time we were here, and I just thought it'd be really cool to get out of the house and enjoy the cabin.
And live life.
Live life a little bit, and thank God for everything that He gives us. And you know, that's just what we're doing today. Look at this backdrop to where we are flying this little micro RC.
But sure than
plane.
this, Nate. Fly it out here in the road.
And,
yeah.
Oh, okay.
And this is how much space you need.
Literally a road.
Just a road.
Road width. Just a 2-lane road width. You can fly nice figure eights.
I'm staying zoomed out just so you can see it. Like, that's very tiny amount of space.
I'm literally just figure eighting over the road. Now the wind has picked up some and it makes me nervous.
Jeez.
But you know what? We'll just
I'm glad I didn't get my hair.
Over the mountains. Zero throttle.
Just kite it out there.
I'm basically zero throttle here.
Nah, this is not supposed to be flown in the wind.
Don't fly this in any wind.
Don't fly this in the wind.
But I have a little bit of skill and a lot of confidence. That's what puts me out here.
You gonna go climb down that and get it if you lose it?
Sadly, yes, because I love this airplane. This is a really cool plane.
Oh my gosh, you weren't seriously. That is steep.
Yeah, it's very
steep.
I'm
not gonna let you go get it. Oh my gosh. Oh
Can we
my
pull
gosh.
off a loop? A loop in the mountains.
Oh, that was kind of a half loop, just so you know.
Loop, though.
It was a half loop.
Now, it's a 3-channel airplane. It comes completely ready to fly, and literally you charge the battery with a USB charger, and then you put it in the air. And my favorite thing to do with this plane is just to keep it a couple feet off the ground, slow and easy on the throttle, 20-30% throttle max, and just try to putz it around and keep it in the air. And I have literally gotten a 25-minute flight on this little tiny 1S battery that comes with it. And if that's not amazing, I don't know what is. That is so cool. So this video could be a half-hour long video if I wanted it to be, but it won't be, because we have just some nice family fun time that we're gonna have while we're here this weekend, and celebrate my birthday kind of like, look at that, I'm flying it backwards.
Oh my gosh, you really are.
I've never done that with my Night Vapor. Isn't that cool?
Oh, don't fly it over the hill.
There's some throttle to fight it.
Don't fly it over the hill right now. It doesn't seem like a good idea. Why am I scared of that thing? Like it's gonna hurt me.
No. It wants to take off just in this little breeze. This is the Night Vapor, and it'll be linked in the description box below. It's completely ready to fly. Now, don't fly this in any wind, okay? You do not fly this in wind.
It's very delicate, you guys.
It's just a, you know, they say it's an intermediate plane because of how delicate it is. But as long as you're smart and don't fly it in any wind, I believe it's very beginner friendly.
And if you're gonna crash, you have to kill the throttle.
Kill the throttle so you don't burn up your motor. I've heard of some people burning up their motors, but as soon as it's gonna touch the ground.
Well, and if you have the throttle on, it's gonna make you crash harder.
That's right. So kill the throttle if you know you're coming down. This is one of my all-time favorites for many reasons. And it's linked in the description box below. If you use those links, you help to support our channel and our family. I want to thank God for giving us such a beautiful, just time a beautiful world to be alive in. If you're alive and you're watching this video, there's so many reasons to be thankful. And so I thank the big guy upstairs. A massive thanks to our Patreon supporters too for helping support everything that we do. You guys keep the videos rolling even when we're doing a family trip like this. It's because of our Patreon supporters that we're able to get content out to you guys, and a massive thanks to you. We'll have the video where we fly this almost dark, where the lights look absolutely amazing, popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.